Subject verb agreement. All right. So, good morning, children. English language. We are going to start subject verb agreement. As we had done in the previous classes about verb, this exercise is also extension of it. We have to use suitable and correct verb in the following sentences. Means if singular verb is there, then singular noun with singular verb is used, with plural noun plural verb is used according to the sentence. Where is should come, where are should come, either and neither, how we have to use either neither word, how we have to use each every, these kinds of verbs. Plus, come on page number 127 129, turn page and come on page number 129, all of you. See on top, exercise A, fill in the blanks with the correct form of the verbs. We have already done exercises of verb previously. So this exercise you will be able to do very easily. There will be no problem. Because here also we have to fill the correct form of the verbs which are given in the brackets. Two type of verbs are given, one singular, one plural, and according to the sentence we have to write the correct form of verb. Okay. So your friend dash too much. Your friend talks. S will be there. Talk. Yes. Right there, talks. Number two, his sister dash well. Swims. Yes, S will be there. Swims. Swims. Page number 129. Come on, page number 129. Two sentences we have done. The first one is your friend talks too much. The second one is his sister swims well. Number three, he dash dinner for his family. Cooks. Cooks. S will be there. Yes, cooks. S. The children dash to school every day. Walk. Walk. The children walk to school every day. Next, a child dash to his mother when he sees her. Runs. S will be there. Yes, runs. S will be there. Runs. The man in the blue shirt dash like your uncle. Looks like your uncle. S will be there. Yes, S will be there. Not look, looks. Many farmers in India dash poor. Are poor. Yes, very good. Very good. Are poor. The fishermen dash all night. Work. The fishermen work all night. WORK. Those where noise is coming at your back, please mute your mic. If your little brothers and sisters are making noise, please don't on your mic. It is creating disturbance. Tom, only on your mic to answer and then again mute. Tom and Jerry dash happy together. Tom and Jerry looks happy together. Yes. All three brothers dash musical instruments. Play. All three brothers play. Only play, not S. Yes, only play, not S. He and his brother dash going to the circus. Are. Yes. He and his brother are going to the circus. Each of the girls dash good in a salwar suit. Each of the girls looks good. Looks good. S. Each of the girls look good. Each of the girls looks, S will be there. Each of the girls looks good. Each of the ministers dash a lot. Travel, travel. Nobody in the class dash the answer. Has. Has the answer. Has, beta, not have. Has. Several sheep, several sheep dash sick. Are, are. No, several sheep are sick. No one dash the old lady any help. No one gives. Yes, yes. One of the players dash hurt. One of the players is hurt. One of the players is hurt. Each member of the family was present. Each member of the family dash present. Was. Was. No. Every member of the family was present. Every member of the family was present. Yes. Better let me finish all sentences. Then you ask. No one but Asha dash been to Sikkim before. No one but Asha. No one but Asha has been. HAS. The man in the blue shirt looks. No one but Asha has been. I'm going to give you the image, okay? I'm going to give you the image, the PDF. So if you have missed out anything, you can see from there. You have to do this exercise in fair copy, all the sentences. Okay? Clear to everybody? What is your work today? Yes, so now you have three work today. In science, you have to make six diagrams and read page number 115. In maths, you have to do the example given on page number 240, 241, and exercise 16.1, question number 1 you have to do. And then in English, you have to do this exercise given on page number 129 in fair copies. Three work you have for today. Yes, you have to do as it is given in the book. Okay. Bye bye.